Good evening, all of you. Hi, this is Pallavi. Today we started the statistics parts of +2, that is central tendency. So, central tendency has a three part, that is first mean, second is median, and third part is mode, that is मीन मतलब एवरेज, मीडियन स्टैंड फॉर मिड वैल्यू, दैट इज डिवाइड द सीरीज into two part, and mode मतलब the value which is repeated maximum time. Let's start with mean. Mean has three series, that is individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. We also call it frequency distribution. Under individual series, there is only a one series, that is x, and under discrete series, there is x and it has its frequency. And in a continuous series, there is a class interval and its frequency. So let's start with formulas. Individual series has direct method, shortcut method, and also has a step deviation method. We denote with x bar sum of x upon n. N is the number of items. With a shortcut formula, assumed mean plus sum of dx upon n. And in step deviation method, I tell you what is dx. Dx is x minus a. And a is assumed mean. And a step deviation method is a plus sum of dx upon n into c, that is c stand for common factor. So individual series has three formulas, that is direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method. Let's start with discrete series. Discrete series has also direct method, shortcut method, and step deviation method. Let's start with direct method. Sum of x into f divided by n. And with the shortcut method, mean is equal to a plus sum of f into dx upon n. You can see there is a almost same formula. There is only addition of f, that is f into dx. And in a step deviation method, x is equal to a plus sum of f into dx dash upon n into c. Sorry, I forgotten to tell you that there is dx dash. And I tell you how we can find the dx dash. Dx dash is equal to dx upon c, which we write here. This is an individual series. Individual series has a three formula: direct, shortcut, and the step deviation. Discrete series has a three formula: direct, shortcut, and step deviation. And same as continuous has a three formula, that is direct, shortcut, and step deviation. Let's start. Sum of f into m upon n with a shortcut formula a plus sum of f into dx upon n, and here is also a plus sum of f into dx dash upon n into c. I highlighted. This is a direct, this is a shortcut, and this is these are the formula. Let's start with question. Let's start with individual series. Let's take a question. X is 50, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55 and 65. Let's start with direct method. First of all, you have to learn that methods. The first method is direct, that is sum of x upon n. And what is n? N is the number of items, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we write 10. And what is the sum of x? For that we have to sum up all these, that is 15 plus 20, 20 plus 30, 30 plus 22, 25 plus 18, 40, 50, 55 and the 65. And their sum is 340. Now write it here. 340, that is 34 is your answer with the direct method. Now we start with the shortcut method. That is a direct method. Now we started with the shortcut method. Shortcut method, the formula is a plus sum of dx upon n. And A stand for assumed mean. I write it again. Assumed mean. Start with the same question. Now I started a shortcut method. For that we have to take a assumed mean. I take it as a 40. So A is 40. Write it here. Plus now we find out the dx. And dx is x minus A. That is 15 minus 40. That is minus 25. 20 minus 40, that is minus 20. 30 minus 40. 22 minus 40. 25 minus 40. 18 minus 40, 40 minus 40, 50 minus 40, 55 minus 40 and 65 minus 40. Minus 20, minus 10, minus 18, minus 15, minus 22, 0, 10, 15 and 25. Now we need the sum of dx. This is a dx and its sum is minus 60. Now put it here, minus 60 upon n, and what is the n? N is again 10. Now solve this bracket. 40 plus minus minus 6 is equal to 34. Now we can see there is the same answer, that is 34 by a direct method and 34 by a shortcut method. Let's start with step deviation method. And the step deviation method is here. A plus sum of dx dash upon n. Let's start with the same question. Now we have a dx. Now we have to find the dx dash. And we take a same assumed mean dx and find the dx. Dx dash upon c is called dx dash. And how we can find the common factor which is divided by all of them, and what that term is, take a 1. So take as a 1. Minus 25, minus 20, minus 10, minus 18, minus 15, minus 22, 0, 10, 15, 25. Common factor should be that which is easily divided by all of them and not give us any points and any fraction. Okay. We can take 5 also if we have here is 20 and the 25, so that all of the digits are divided easily. But here is 18 and 22, so we take a 1. Now assumed mean is same 40. 40 plus what is a dx dash. Now we have a dx sum of dx dash, that is almost same, minus 60. Yeah, minus 60 upon n is 10 into c, and where what is c? C is 1, that is. Now solve it. 40 plus this minus this, this divided by this, minus 6 into 1, that is minus 6. 40 minus 6 is equal to 34. So we can see that by using a direct, shortcut and step deviation, answer will be same. If the question is same, if the question is different, then answer will be a different. Now we move on with the discrete series. Discrete series has a x and its frequency. Take a discrete series 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. And it has frequency 453, 252, 252 and 312. Let's start with direct method.